Hey everybody, Trucking Lock here. Welcome back and to the channel. And today I have these two Truguards. These are sister locks, and I wanted to use these. These came in the same package. I have the keys somewhere for them. They're floating around, but I'm not going to look for them because we're not going to be worried about using the keys. But these are key to like, and I wanted to show just how different two of the same lock can be and why it's important to have a little bit of of options. The less locks you have, you might get one that's really easy or really hard. Me personally, if I have to choose between easy and hard, I want somewhere in the middle, but I would tend to go with the harder one. I don't know which one it is, but let me grab a pick here, where this pick right here, and then I will use this tension wrench, and let's see how this one picks. So, little click on one, nothing really on two. Three is binding. We gotta click on three, and then oh shit. Well, I lost everything. Alright, reset. So, nothing on 4, nothing on 3, nothing on 2. And then here's... Wait, was that... Yeah, that's 1. Okay, we got... Click on 1. Now, let's start in the back. Here's 4. There's 3. 3 feels a little stiff. 2 feels... Oh. Alright. Trucking A. That one wasn't too bad. That was pretty fun. Nothing too hard. But let's see what this one is like. See, I got one pin to move. I don't know why this one's not. Okay, so I'm not getting it. Like, this is a difference of night and day. Like, I don't understand. Okay, nothing on 4. Nothing on 3. We got a little click on 2. And then... That felt like... Okay, so there's a click on 2. Click on 1, 2. That's why these cheap locks, you never underestimate them. Okay, let's try this one more time. You know what, I'm going to use a different pick. Okay, so here's 4. Nothing. Here's 3. No, I'm not getting anything. This is a black belt level lock, people, I tell you. Okay, I got a click on 3. Wow, that was hard. That was a lot harder. You saw the struggle with this one. I really had to jam pin 3 and pin 2, where this one, it was as I could easily set them. I don't know if there is something actually wrong with this lock, but the last I checked with the keys, that everything feels fine. But I just wanted to show you that if you ever have a lock that you just can't open, especially as a beginner, it's okay to go back to another lock that's similar and practice, and then go back and try it again at a later date after you have a little bit more practice, because some locks are just really hard, like really, really hard. And this was almost the same binding order as this one. I believe they were, or no, they were actually the same, 3 then 2. You don't have to touch 1 or 4, but 2 and 3 set pretty easily on this one, and it was really hard on this one. So, but I just wanted to show that, especially for beginner pickers, that you can have the same locks and one be much harder than the other. So don't ever let that discourage you. Just let that kind of motivate you to get a little bit better. Remember to like and subscribe, and that's all I have for you today. So until we talk again, happy picking.